Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. The internet is a rich playing field for those who want to make a lot of money online. There are many lucrative opportunities that you can get involved in. If you want to learn some of the ways to make an income online, read the following video for lots of helpful advice. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Consider taking surveys. There are a large number of online survey sites to choose from. These are a good source of online income. Depending on the site offering the survey, they may not pay much. However, you can easily do these things when you have some downtime, and you can make quite a bit of money when things add up. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Consider what your time is worth before you start working. If you intend to do something online to make money, what is your minimum acceptable hourly wage? If you do not mind working for a lower wage, you will never raise your earnings. People will assume that's all you are worth and never offer you more. Anyone can make money online if they have the right approach. By getting good information like what you have read in this video, you put yourself one step ahead of the competition. Always keep an open mind to learn as much as you can about it. There is no better time than now to get started. Student loan.